to Otis Place. On this channel, I make content on natural hair, motherhood, and lifestyle. If that's something you like, please consider subscribing. If you're new on the channel, hello, my name is Otabi. It's good to have you here. Welcome. If you're already a subscriber, hi, good to have you back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use one ingredient in 3 ways to help boost your hair growth. I've been using this ingredient for over 5 years and it has been working well for me, so I decided to share it with you. This ingredient is none other than rosemary. I'm going to show you how to use rosemary in 3 forms to boost your hair growth. Watch this video to the end, guys. I'll be telling you how I use it personally and also give you some suggestions on how you can use it to boost your hair growth. We're going to start off with rosemary infused oil. I'm going to be making use of 2 cups here. One is the quarter cup, which is 59 ml, and the half cup, which is 118 ml. I'm actually supposed to use 1 cup, but I couldn't find my 1 cup measure. That's why I'm using the half, so I'm going to use 2 of that. And this is the rosemary we're using. We're going to use dried rosemary for this. I like using this best because the oil stays longer. The fresher your rosemary, the more likely it's going to get rancid quickly. So I'm just going to measure it in the 1/4 cup. That's what I'm going to use, a 1/4 cup of rosemary, dried rosemary. Yeah, I had to use my fingers to do this. Anyway, I'm using the oil at home, so there's no problem there. I'm going to transfer this into a jar. Please make sure your jar is sterilized. I'm using coconut oil for this, so I'm using 1 cup of coconut oil to a 1/4 cup of rosemary. Put the oil into the dried rosemary, allow it to infuse for about 2 weeks, and you have your good rosemary oil. I used coconut oil for this. Feel free to use any oil that agrees with your hair. You can use olive oil, you can use argan oil, you can use jojoba oil, any oil you want, feel free to use. And here we have our good rosemary oil. Very straightforward. After 2 weeks, you strain, and there your rosemary oil is ready. The next we're going to make is rosemary tea. I'm going to be making use of fresh rosemary for this. I put 2 cups of water in a pot and put in my rosemary. I allowed it to boil for about 5 minutes, turned off the heat, and let it cool. After cooling, we just turn this and you see your rosemary water, your rosemary tea has this nice color and lovely rosemary aroma. Really good. Allow it to cool properly before you use. The next way to use rosemary is by using rosemary essential oil. This is my favorite way of using rosemary because, it's less stressful. All you need is essential oil. You can add this to your hair growth oil. You can add this to your hair butter. You can add it to anything you want. Rosemary has so many benefits. It improves cellular regeneration. It helps with hair growth, contributing to hair thickness. It has anti-inflammatory properties and it improves circulation. It is also used for treatment of premature graying and dandruff. It helps to prevent hair loss. You should look into using rosemary regularly in your hair care regimen. It is good and it will help improve the state of your hair. Now, to actually apply this, the rosemary infused oil can be used on your scalp. You can use it on your hair strands. You can mix it in as one of the oils for your hair growth oil. You can add this to your hair butter or body butter. Now to the rosemary tea, you can use it as a hair rinse, how you use your tea rinses. You can also just spray it on your hair. You can use it as a liquid for your LCO method or LOC method when you want to moisturize your hair. For the essential oil, why I say I love this is because it is so versatile. I can use the essential oil in any of the previous forms I have talked about. You can use it in oils to introduce rosemary into the oils. You can use it in your water to spritz on your hair too. You can use the essential oil in so many ways. And for me, the essential oil is more concentrated, so a little goes a long way. If you have another way of using rosemary, please leave it in the comment section. This is a community. People will also learn from your comments, learn from you, and put it to practice. You don't know, you could be helping somebody. If you have watched up to now and you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, as I get to make videos at least once a week on this channel. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.